In this video, I'm going to show you 10 free Blender add-ons that will save you hours on modeling, animation, and rendering. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate, these tools will make your workflow faster, smoother, and way more efficient. Let's jump in. 1. Cloud Generator V2. Cloud Generator V2 is a free add-on that lets you create realistic volumetric clouds in just a few clicks. Instead of setting up volume nodes manually, you can quickly control the density, scale, and shape of your clouds right from the panel. It's perfect for adding realistic skies to your product renders or environment scenes, and it saves you a lot of setup time. 2. Real-Time Explosion. Real-Time Explosion add-on is a quick way to create realistic explosions in Blender. Instead of building complex simulations from scratch, you can generate and control explosion effects instantly in the viewport. It's perfect for VFX shots, animations, or cinematic scenes, and it saves you a lot of setup time. 3. Samplissage. Samplissage automatically generates physics-ready cages and collision meshes for your models in seconds. Instead of manually setting up simulations for clothing or soft body animations, Samplissage does everything for you with just a few clicks, saving you a lot of time during animation and rigging. 4. Plant Library. The Plant Library is a pack containing over 170 plus HQ vegetation assets. Discover how Blender can be the greatest platform for creating your best environmental 3D art. All render ready. While it's a great opportunity for beginners and hobbyists, the quality is also good enough for 3D pros. Five. Blender Kit. Blender Kit gives you instant access to thousands of free models, materials, HDRIs, brushes, and even full scenes directly inside Blender. Instead of creating everything from scratch, you can simply search, drag, and drop high-quality assets straight into your project. This saves you a massive amount of time when working on product animations, environments, or client projects. 6. Easy HDRI. Easy HDRI is a simple but powerful add-on that makes lighting your scene super fast. Instead of setting up HDRIs manually, you can browse, preview, and apply them instantly with just one click. You can easily control the rotation, strength, and background visibility right from the panel, no complicated node setup needed. 7. Grunget One-Click Wear and Tear. Grunget is a one-click Blender add-on that instantly adds realistic wear and tear to your models. 8. Anti-Seam. Anti-Seam is a free add-on that removes texture seams from any image with a single click. No more hours spent removing seams from image textures. Simply select an image, apply anti-seam, tweak, and you're done. 9. Auto UV. Auto UV is a free Blender add-on that instantly generates clean UV maps with just one click. Instead of manually unwrapping every object, Auto UV quickly creates optimized UVs so you can focus on texturing and design. It's fast, easy to use, and perfect for speeding up your workflow, especially when you have lots of assets to unwrap. If you want quick, reliable UV maps without the headache, Auto UV is a great tool to add to your toolkit. 10. Kit Ops 3. Kit Ops 3 is a powerful Blender add-on that lets you quickly insert and manage kit bash assets with ease. With one click you can place detailed props, parts, and models into your scene, boosting your workflow and creative iteration. It works with collections, presets, and smart placement so you can build complex structures without modeling every piece from scratch. If you want fast kit bashing and creative freedom straight inside Blender, Kit Ops 3 makes it easy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment your favorite add-on, share and subscribe.